foam on the river of pity turned its tide to strength, healed a hole that ripped in living in my book of dreams, in my book of dreams, in my book of dreams. Spine is bound to last a life, tough enough to take a pounding, pages made of days of opening. In my book of dreams, in my book of dreams, in my book of dreams. Every page in silver underlining magic marker. Take the name of every prisoner. Yours is there, my word of honor. Took your urgent whisper, stole the arc of a white wing, rode like foam on the river of pity, healed a hole that ripped in living in my book of dreams, in my book of dreams, in my book of dreams. For me, music was powerful because it helped me express myself and connect with other people. Growing up, I was really shy, and when I started doing musical theater, that's what helped me connect with other people that also like to sing and perform. Social anxiety is different from depression because it's always there, and it's not like I go through phases. So I always have to try to separate it from when I'm performing. I have to kind of focus a lot on what I'm doing, performing and singing, and pretend that I don't feel anxious. My songwriting process is always different. Sometimes I write like most of my music when I'm feeling sad, and that's when I have like more creative flow, I think. And my music is, sometimes I'm speaking to myself, like it's just like a dialogue I have in my head, and then I'll put it into a song. Or I'll think about an emotion I felt years ago and write a song about it. And just to help myself understand what I'm feeling a bit better. I think people, even if someone's not a musician, they can connect to music because they might feel like the artist understands what they're going through, or like they won't feel alone because someone else feels the same way they do. Or, you know, if they're sad, they might want to listen to sad music to feel like someone's like also feeling the same thing. Or if they're sad, they might want to listen to something that's happy to kind of go the opposite way. I prefer to listen to happy music because if I feel sad, sad music is just gonna make me more sad. And sometimes if I'm like really in a funk, I like to listen to techno really loud, and that kind of just like wipes my mind clear and helps me calm down. I chose Book of Dreams by Suzanne Vega because the song is really uplifting, and the first time I heard it, I just like automatically felt happy listening to it. And it's about following your dreams, even if you feel sad, even if you feel disappointed. It's just about just moving forward. That's what I connected with the most.